YouTubers, welcome to my channel Try It Yourself, and today's project replacing smoke alarms inside your house. In case you didn't know, they do not last forever. Even though you're changing batteries in them, they still have a limited lifetime in them, and every one of them have a different one. So when you're gonna buy one to replace, first of all, my idea is to actually find exactly same kind as I have already installed in my house, because of the hole, because of the cover, because all of them are a little bit different. So what I have is a Kidde system, and mine actually have a 10-year warranty, or whatever you're gonna call it, the lifetime expectancy out of my alarm. The other one actually has a lot less than that, so you watch for it. Maybe if you have something different, maybe it would make sense for you to upgrade to something like that for like a 10-year, because you could save maybe $1 or $2 on an alarm, and like in my house I have 7 of those, so you could save $2, but instead of 10 years it's only 2-year warranty on that alarm, so you actually end up paying in 10 years a lot more. So here's what this one's coming from. This is actually a little bit different, a part number. When I remove my old one and Google the part number that I have installed in my house, actually there's been, I'm guessing, a few upgrades since then. So when you open the box, well, mine actually come with instructions and everything like that, but even has a pigtail. So I was looking actually for the same connections, that's what I have over there, to have like a less work. Otherwise I would have to disconnect the power and go through the rewiring my plugs over there, but actually I have exactly the same connection, and that's what I was looking for. I guess I'm lucky because mine have a 10-year warranty on it, so I save in a step. But you know, for some of you guys maybe makes sense to switch something like this, because if you have a alarm that you have replaced 2 years, every 2 years, I mean 10 years, maybe you spend a little time rewiring this thing and saving on a long run. So it comes with the smoke, I mean nicely packaged like this. Comes with a plate, which when I will be changing it, I'll show you a little bit closer. Do you see how yellow is my looking over the time? Because the light and the plastic, and look at this white, just as my sealing. So if you don't care about stuff like this, you could save another step, because all you gotta do, just remove this plate, screw this thing, you're done. If you want to actually, you know, if you're changing something once in 10 years, hey, might as well make it pretty. So as you can see, it's actually have a plastic pre-made holes for all kinds of boxes. So in my case, I already know that I have to punch the holes in the 2 outer ones to match the plate that I have right now installed. But to make sure that that's the case, I'm gonna remove it and will replace the plate. And it's like super easy. I don't have to mess with the wiring at all, because the plug actually goes right through the hole, so removing super easy. Just loosen up 2 screws, replacing the plate, done. The smoke alarm, really nicely, it actually comes with the Kidde 9-volt battery. So that's, I mean, save me a little bit of the money too. I don't have to buy 7 new batteries, so this one already come with the battery. And when I install it, I'm gonna have to, right here, pull out the, what it says, pull out the tab to activate the backup battery. And when we're gonna connect, I will show you the light through here. I mean, you're actually gonna be able to see that it's green light on. So less talk, let's replace this one. So to remove it, It's really easy. You just twist it to your right. I mean, in your case may be different, but there's instructions over here. It says which way is on, which one's off. So to disconnect, there's a plug over here. You just squeeze it and pull out just like that, and that's it. You remove it. And that's the plate over here. So to remove the plate, in my case it's just the Phillips screws over here. Just like that. I mean, you just slide it through the hole. That's it. The plate is removed. To match the new one, just to make sure you have the same hole, when you know which one, all you gotta do just basically just push it, just like that. And again, if you even punch the wrong holes, it's not that big of a deal, but to make sure, I mean, you can just lay over it, holes are matching. And actually in my case I have a little bit better holes, so on the new plate so slide this through the plug. Line up the screw with a make sure, I mean, you can do it with a screwdriver, it's better, that way you're not gonna crack it. So before you install, make sure you pull this tab just like that. It has a, in my case, clear barrier. Confirm the battery's there. Clip, clip. You have a green light right here, camera showing it. And just one very important thing, date of install. So September of 23. Put the date. And that's it. That's how easy it is. So if you have a project like this at your home, as you can see, there's not too much work to do this, but safety of your home is pretty much the most important thing in your life. So that was the project today. If it was useful for you, make sure you give me a like, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And good luck if you have a project like this.